Traditional cardio helps your weight and your heart, but doesn't shape your body the way that weight training does. Plyometrics are a good alternative because they're going to ramp your heart rate up while doing resistance exercises. This should give you that toned body that you're looking for. Today's circuit is focused on the lower body and is appropriate for all fitness levels. Jump squats are exactly like they sound. From a squat position, jump into the air, landing lightly on your feet, returning to squat position each time. Sit back into the squat and keep knees behind your toes. Do these as fast as possible for 30 seconds. Without resting, go right into step-ups. Use a platform raised as high as you can off the floor. Step up with the first leg, throwing the knee with the opposite leg. Squeezing your abs to make this harder, and repeat. Alternate your legs each time. The next exercise is jumping lunges. Jump quickly from one leg to the other, and sink down until each leg forms a 90-degree angle. Grab a light to moderate weight bar and place it over your shoulders. Straddle the step up, drop into a squat, and explode up onto the step. Always step down as opposed to jumping down, and repeat for 30 seconds. Keep up your speed throughout the entire circuit, and only rest 2 minutes between sets. For beginners, you're going to aim for about 3 sets, but if you're more advanced, go for 5 to even 7 sets.